These social media influencers have millions of followers and charge over $10,000 per Instagram post. But the shocking thing is they're not real. They're all generated by artificial intelligence, AI, and they're scoring brand deals, paid sponsorships, and making a ton of money. Now, you might be wondering, can I do that? Well, the answer is yes. And in this video, I'll show you how you can create your very own AI influencer for free. I'm your friendly neighborhood Evo man, and let's dive right into it. First and foremost, we need to generate a beautiful face for our Instagram model using AI. For this, we'll be using TensorArt, which is completely free to use. TensorArt offers various models for image generation, but I'll opt for the juggernaut Aftermath, which is renowned for its realistic results. Just run this model, and you'll see an interface like this one. On the left side, you can see options to input your prompts. You can also use negative prompts, but what we're particularly interested in is the seed number. The seed value is crucial here. Input any random number you can easily remember. Let's say 4321, for example. Now, move to the prompt section. I'll input something like, create a beautiful woman with a big smile, wavy black hair, and ultra-realistic features, and hit generate. Here are a few images that I generated, but I'll admit they don't look too great. If you're not satisfied with the results, simply change the seed values and your prompt, then regenerate. Take a look at these new results. They're incredibly photorealistic, even down to the skin texture. She looks like a real person now, and I'm pleased with this model. Now, let's say you want some variety in the images, different outfits, environments, places, and poses. All you have to do is tweak the prompt a bit. Suppose you want her to wear a hat and glasses. Just add that to your prompt and hit generate. Voila, the same lady is now sporting glasses and a hat. We may have missed a few details, like freckles, but don't fret. I'll show you how to fix that later in the video. Next, let's discuss how you can change the environment. Perhaps you'd like her to be sitting in a coffee shop. Type in sitting in a coffee shop and experiment with the aspect ratio to get different images. Check out these results. She's now comfortably seated at a coffee shop, and her face matches perfectly. Occasionally, you may encounter a different model, but don't worry, we can address that issue too. Experiment with various camera angles, poses, and environments to suit your preferences. As promised, I'll demonstrate how to match facial features. Open Discord and create a new server by clicking on the plus icon. Give it any name you like. Once your server is created, paste this link into your search bar. I'll also include it in the video description. Select the server you just made, click Authorize, and you'll be redirected to your Discord account. Type / and select Save ID. Upload the face of your AI influencer that we finalized earlier in the video, and name it something easy to remember. For example, AI. Hit Enter, and your ID name is saved. Again, type / and select Swap ID. Upload the image you want to match the face with. Enter the ID name you created earlier and hit enter. As you can see, her face now perfectly matches our AI-generated model. Now all that's left is to create your Instagram account, generate a few images, and start uploading today. That's how you can create your own top-notch Instagram model in just a few simple steps. That's a wrap for this video. If you found it helpful, consider joining my newsletter where I talk all about cool stuff related to AI. And don't forget to subscribe to Evolution. I'll catch you in the next one.